Like in much of Latin America, this part of Ecuador is home to very large colonies of leafcutter ants. If you don't know what leafcutter ants are, they are relatively large ants that cut off pieces of plants and leaves and carry them back to their nest so that they can use it to farm a fungus that they eat, actually. Or I believe it's a mold. I'll have to double check. Anyway, what I wanted to show you is these impressive highways that they make. So you can like pretty clearly see going all the way up there and going off that way and going here around this little banana tree, and there's a clear path that is cut through all of the foliage on the ground so that they can have an efficient path on which to carry all of their leaves.